Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of the Market Preview. My name is Vasily, I'm your trading coach and professional Forex trader. For today's weekly edition, I prepared for you a very interesting discussion on chart management. So reading your comments, I noticed that many of you are wondering, how do I manage all the instruments in my watch list? And indeed, there I have the Forex pairs, stocks, indexes, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and I have there like dozens and dozens and dozens of different financial instruments, and you're wondering how I managed to follow all of them. And many people think that what I do here, I just open the charts in the morning, and during the entire day I just scan the charts from top to down and from down to top. But the reality is quite different, and there are different techniques on how you can manage your charts and how you can manage them remotely. And these techniques are especially powerful for those who have a full-time job or part-time job, or for example studying, or have many things to do during the day. So I think you most likely have such kind of situation. You have like 2 hours per day for trading, and you want to know how to efficiently manage your charts. So I have prepared for you a very interesting tips to follow. And I must admit that when I was learning trading, I was studying. I had a part-time job, so I had just a couple of hours per day for charting, yes. And I was trying to invent different techniques for chart management. And with time, I found out how to do that successfully. So I think this lesson will be very, very important for you. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a lovely comment. Enjoy this video, guys. Alright guys, so the first thing to discuss with you will be the watch list itself, yes, and here is my watch list. And the point about that watch list is that it is very, very, very big, and I cannot even tell you exactly how many instruments I have here. It's just enormously big, right? And of course, the order starts with the watch list, yes, and your task is to organize your watch list. I started with Forex. I am first of all a Forex trader, and as you can see, my main priority in the watch list are the currency pairs, and moreover major currency pairs, and it is very important. I can let myself miss the trade on Bitcoin, for example, or on S&P 500, but I cannot miss the trades on major Forex pairs. You can see that they are the top of my watch list, and these are the charts that I see every day, and my morning routine always starts with my main watch list, yes, with my main pairs in my watch list. And only when I don't see any trades there, only when I don't see any trading setups there, I start investigating and going lower, yes. Then I check the Bitcoin, S&P 500, then go the minor Forex pairs, but first priority are the major pairs, yes. And your task is to organize your watch list so that according to your trading preferences, yes. Organize it so that put in the top what you like to trade, what are you the best in, yes, and make it that your priority. And then bottom of your watch list will be based on the instruments that you can trade, you understand how they work, but you are not so efficient like with the top, yes. So I hope that it makes sense. So start with the watch list. Watch list is the first in our list. The next tool that I truly want you to apply is the layout, the chart layout. So here, for example, in TradingView, you can see that I have many different layouts, and I apply these layouts for different kind of purposes. So first of all, I have a layout for my private one-on-one coaching, and I apply this layout just for the sessions with my students. I have the layout for videos, yes, right, like right now I record the video for you and I apply this layout for video recording. But also I have different layouts for my personal trading. Yes, and let's in details discuss the layouts that I have there. So the first layout that I have in my list of the layouts is called structure analysis. And as you know, if you follow me for quite a while, you know that I strictly trade the market from key levels, from key daily levels. In this layout, I apply just for the identification of key levels. And if I open my watch list and just scroll through the peers, you can see that here I just have the key levels, yes? And with that layout, I just check where the market is trading, right now, and how far the market is from key levels, yes? This is a very important layout for me, and I apply this layout for brief scanning of the market. So in the morning, I start with this structure analysis layout, and I just scan through the instruments and look which instruments are trading on a key level, like euro dollar, for example, right here. You can see that right now euro dollar is trading on a key level, and for me it is a very strong signal that I should start start analyzing the euro dollar on a lower time frame. I should look at the price action and look for potential reverses from the key level, right? And then once I identify the pairs that are, or the instruments that are trading on a key level, I apply another layout, yes, and another layout is called lower time frame. And if we open that layout with you together, and I just open the euro dollar chart here, let's just check what do we have right there. On the euro dollar, on the lower time frame layout, I have the structure, the patterns on the lower time frame. This layout strictly based on the 4-hour and 1-hour time frame analysis, and here I analyze the charts in details. Yes, here I pay attention to minor tiny elements in the price action, minor tiny patterns. Yes, and I start using this layout only when the market is trading on the key level. While it is not on the key level, I just simply don't analyze that. Yes, I wait for the market to be on the key level, and only then I switch the layout. Yes, and if you apply all the layouts, or if you just apply one layout, if you have all your drawings on one layout, your chart will most likely look like a complete mess. Yes, just a lot of trend lines, patterns, indicators, so much stuff, and you will be just paralyzed by the complexity of your charts. So be very careful. Just have a different layouts for higher time frame analysis, lower time frame analysis, or even for different strategies. Yes, if you treat different strategies, for one strategy have one layout, for another strategy have another. Yes, because it is very important for us to have a clear chart to avoid confusion, right? Hey guys, just a brief interruption. I just started the Instagram page, and on Instagram I just post the exclusive trades and stories, the feedbacks, and many info that you can get just on Instagram. So I am planning to make a lot of just exclusive content for Instagram. So please check it out, subscribe there, and I think it will be very interesting if you want to learn how to trade. Thank you. So once we have different layouts, it is very important for you to know how to manage these different layouts. And here alerts help a lot. So how do we apply the alerts? Let's take the pair here, the dollar-yen pair. I took this pair for example with you because here this pair is not trading on a key level. As you can see, according to my structure analysis here, the pair is just trading between two structure levels, yes? So it is just in between. And while it is trading between the key levels, we don't trade the pair at all. So it is crucially important for us to know the moment when the market reaches the key level, yes? And here what we can do, we can apply the alerts. Yes, so here for example we have our closest yellow structural resistance. Yes, to the lower boundary of that structural resistance we add the alert. Yes, we add the alert and we see $yen key resistance reached. Yes, and once the market reaches that structural resistance we will be notified. Same thing with this structure support. Yes, we have this structure support right here. And again, what we do, we add the alert. Yes, and here we say structure support, yes, reached. And once the market reaches that support, we are notified. As you can see our alerts here. They are placed already. And very important thing for you to note right here, I receive all alerts in my phone. Yes, so I have my phone constantly with me. No matter where I go, I have my phone with me. Yes, and once the alert is reached, once it triggered, I have the notification from the TradingView app. So attention here. So I don't use my broker's service for alerts. I simply use TradingView app. Yes, you can find it in the App Store, and you can use that for chart management. It is very nice, and no matter where you are, you will be notified once the key level is reached. Yes, and once the key level is reached, then alerts help us to also manage our lower time frame chart layout. And let me show you how we do that. So for the sake of the example, let's take WTI oil chart. Yes, here you can see that right now the market is already trading on a key level. Here the market is trading on a very strong structural resistance. Yes, so our first condition is met. The market is already on a key level, so we can start checking the lower time frame. We can start the analysis of a lower time frame. So what we do, we will now switch to the lower time frame layout, and let's see what do we have there. So on the lower time frame here, what you can see is that the price has already broke below the rising minor channel that we have right here. And for now, the only thing that we have here is this minor structure support. Yes, and it looks like right now the market here can easily form a double top formation. Yes, double top or lower high or some reversal pattern right here. Yes, so we need to catch a moment when the market actually forms that pattern, forms that reversal pattern. And again, alerts here can help us a lot. So what I will do here, I will place my alert here on that minor structure support. Yes, and here I say double top formed. Yes, double top formed. And pay attention to details. Imagine if the market reaches our structure here. Yes, imagine if the market just drops. Here we will have just a perfect double top with a low high. It will be a perfect reversal formation that I trade. I always trade double tops. It is one of my favorite patterns, and I want to be notified once this pattern is formed. And according to my rules, that pattern is formed when the market 2 times tests the minor support. First test we had already. Now the market forms the second top. So I want to be notified once the market forms the second top. And once it does that, yes, then I will just sit in front of the screen and I will trade the market. And for now, still, I don't need to be focused on that. I just again place the alert, and again I just wait for the notification. And while I don't receive the notification, yes, I just stay calm, because nothing to trade for now. For now it is still trading, for now it is still on a key level, but no reversal pattern. I wait for that reversal pattern. Yes, so here alert will help me to again be notified once the pattern, the needed pattern is reached. And you can apply alerts to find the needed conditions for you, the breakout, structure violation, anything that you need for your entry conditions. Yes, so apply alerts. It is just the must-have tool for trading. Yes, and now let's discuss the next tool. So the last but still a very important tool that we should apply, the flags here. So what do I mean by the flags? As you can see, the instruments in my watch list have different colors. Yes, some are red, some are orange, and some are just black. Yes, and the point here is that once the market is trading on a very important key level and some reversal pattern is forming, I flag the pattern. I flag it as the orange. So when I return back from a gym, for example, I just open straight away these charts and check whether some reversal pattern forms or not. Yes. And once I open a trade, once I have the active trade, I have a green flag on the instrument. Yes, and then each time when I return back to the computer, I go straight ahead to the green flagged instruments. I want to manage my trade. I want to see the profits. I want to see the drawdown of the trade. And by that, I still remember about my active trades. And you know, when you start trading full time, when you have many active trades at once, trust me, it's very easy to forget about some of them. Very easy. Yes, it is easy to forget about a very nice trading setup that is forming. In such kind of flagging with the colors, it helps a lot. Once you have a system, once you have a logic behind each color in your watch list, it helps a lot. So try that. Yes, just flag. And here what is good, we have different colors, so you can just adjust all that according to your taste, according to your views. Yes, in my view, it is very important tool. Alright guys, that's it, and I truly believe that here we have just a wonderful discussion. And if you have a full-time job, or if you are studying, or if you just have many things to do during the day and you can't be in front of the screen the entire day, I think these techniques are just must-have for you. I want you to try them. I want you to learn them, and I truly believe that with these techniques you will manage your charts very efficiently. With the alerts, with the layouts that I show you, you constantly notified and you constantly know where the market is. And even if you are not in front of the screen, just by the notification, by the alerts, you know where the market is going. So you constantly control that. You remotely control your charts, and that is the main thing. Yes. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a lovely comment. Have a great weekend, guys.